Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today we're going to be building the 40 Willys Gasser with the Coupe livery from AMT. Round 2 Models was nice enough to send this over for us to review. So come on in, let's see what it's all about. The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today. Well, I apologize in advance, gang. This is going to be kind of a clunky review because, unfortunately, the footage of me opening the package and showing what's inside like I normally do is corrupted, and I can't get it back. It's damaged. So we're just going to work with what we got because the car's already finished. So at least let's show the box and kind of see what we get inside. So there's the box. I really like that artwork, of course. You know, that's one of my favorites is actual artwork. And then there's the side there. There's a photograph of the decal sheet. That's pretty cool. You get a lot of decals in this, and they came off the paper very well. I didn't have to fight them at all. Very nice. And then on this side here, you can buy the ramp truck and have it go on the back. So that was pretty neat to do that. Then here's what you get in the back of it. On the back there, everything you get. Now this version, you cannot build the pickup version. It's only coupe. I know earlier versions, you could get the coupe or the pickup in one kit. They've made it separate. You get a pickup version or the coupe version, not both. So they've removed the pickup version from this and then the coupe version from the pickup, if you see that. So at least let's look at the decal, or what's left of the decals here. This is what I used. Like I said, I've already finished the car, but it comes with these neat side panel decals, a bunch of Coke livery. It also comes with the gauge panels, which is really neat. And then obviously some other Coke related stuff and sponsor decals. So let's take a look at this in the book. Pretty basic stuff here. There's our engine. You get one engine type. And it's a Oldsmobile engine, rocket engine, style from the 50s. And there's your interior. And on the windows, you get clear glass or like a Coke bottle tinted blue. So that's pretty interesting. And then your flip nose. Putting mine together, the hinge area, I had to fiddle around with it a little bit to get that nose to work. So, little hint there. And then there's your chassis. Goes together well. I didn't have to fight any of this. It went together really nicely. And then there's how it's showing that tilt mechanism with that hinge. That took a little bit of finagling to make that work. So let's get on to the finished car. Here it is, the 1940 Willys Gasser by AMT. This was a cool build. I love building these gassers. They just look so neat. And this one here in the Coke livery with a tilt front end and Oldsmobile Rocket V8. It just looks the part. It has the tilt front end. Building it, the tilt mechanism was a little fiddly to get it to line up with the body once everything's closed up. But it was a little tricky, nothing really difficult about it. It fits on there really well, and it shows that Oldsmobile engine really well. Closes up nicely. The hood scoop is not a chrome part. The way I got that looking chrome is I used the Revell chrome spray once I got it sanded down and looking pretty good. And I went ahead and used the Coke livery decals that are included. I wanted to make it look like the car on the side of the box on the back of the Chevy ramp truck because I plan on building that to go on the back of it. But it includes these red line tires. Everything you see here is included. It has dash decals. I ended up using the green Coke bottle glass colored windows for it. You can see it in the headlights, but the regular windows, it's hard to tell. But it went together really well, and I enjoyed it, and I hope you do too. So be sure to pick yours up. Round 2 should be having these out really soon. So I appreciate everybody's like and subscribe and comments. That helps a lot and helps the channel. And Until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.